Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at QuarsiMail. This is a brand new email marketing software or autoresponder, and this can really help you guys out save hundreds of dollars paying for a monthly payment for those popular autoresponder out there or email marketing software out there. Now, I'm not saying guys that this right here is much better than those popular email marketing solutions like GetResponse. However, this is just an option, guys. If you wanted to save like hundreds of dollars, you can really use the software, guys, to send unlimited, emails. Right? You can send out unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers without any kind of limitation, right? And the best part about this, guys, there is no SMTP required. You can import unlimited contacts, you can create unlimited campaigns, you can create unlimited broadcasts, and this is a fully cloud-based application. That means you don't need to download this on your computer. And yeah, there's no monthly payment, guys. This is only one-time payment, right? And yeah, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this application, how this works, how you can easily navigate within this application, how you can import your list, how you can create lists, how you can create automation campaigns. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to additional value of your QuarsiMail purchase, all right? Now, there are a couple of problems with this application, guys. I'm going to solve that problem with my custom crafted bonuses. Now, the first problem with this application, guys, is that if you don't have an email list, then you cannot really make money, guys. Even though you have this email marketing software, you have this autoresponder, if you don't have an email list, guys, you cannot really make money. And that is why I'm going to solve that problem with this um, bonus number 6 right here, guys, which is Google hack. Right, I'm going to show you guys how to hack Google to get unlimited and targeted buyers list on complete autopilot. Let me show you guys the power of this method. That way you can see how this works. Right, I'm just gonna highlight this one right here. All right, and then I'm gonna, now this is a result from Google, and I use this code that I use within Google and extract these targeted emails. Now I can target like make money online-ish. I can target health and fitness. I can target local businesses, dentists. It doesn't really matter what kind of business and industry you want to target. This works in any kind of niche, right? I'm gonna go to this website right here, and then I'm gonna paste that whole thing right here, guys. All right, and this right here. Right, this software is gonna automatically extract all these emails, right? See this right here? These are targeted emails that I get, from different social media places, from Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you can target that using this method inside of Google that I'm gonna teach you guys within this bonus number 6, right? I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that step by step process that we can start using this method and start, basically you download this, right? You can just export this to Excel format, or you can just copy and paste this and just import this inside of your QuarsiMail and start sending in promotional emails right here and start making money. All right, so that is my bonus number, special bonus number 6, right? Okay, so bonus number 1, guys, I'm gonna show you how I make $5 over and over again using this illegal method. Now, I'm not showing this just to to tell you that to do this method, right? I'm just gonna show you this method. That way you can see that this method works, and I'm gonna show you guys the proper way to do it, the legal way to do it. That way you can also use this method and start making money as well. All right, now you're not just limited to $5. You can charge any amount you want for this method, right? That is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 200 plus done for you high converting emails. Right, just like I said, guys, you have this emails or autoresponder email marketing software, and if you don't know how to write an emails, high converting emails, then you cannot really make money. That's why I'm providing you guys this done for you high converting emails that you can just plug in and play into your system and start using this emails and start promoting different kind of offers, right? And yeah, that is my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a 3-in-1 email marketing software or automation software, which is Syndio. This is another email marketing software. Now, if you don't want to use this QuarsiMail, you can also use this, but this one required SMTP, but this one is a really powerful software as well. This can also really help you guys out, right? That is my bonus number 3. And bonus number 4, guys, is now if this right here is not enough, this 200 plus done for you high converting emails, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a software. This one-click software that automatically write unlimited emails for you on complete autopilot. That way you don't need to write an email again, right? This software will write a high converting email for you on complete autopilot just by clicking a button, right? This is my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, guys, is a lifetime support and help from me. Now, if you have been trouble, now, you know, we can also hop in a call if you wanted to hop in a call. We can talk about the problems, what are the things that are preventing you to make money. We can also do that in a one-on-one live session if you do want to do that. If you want to do that, I'm gonna put my email right here. That way you can always reach me out. I'm gonna try to help you guys out, try my best to help you guys out and start making money online, all right? And then bonus number 6, guys, is that Google hack to get unlimited subscribers or email lists on complete autopilot. All right, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, when you guys click that first link, this will take you to the sales page that looks something like this. And by the way, guys, this document is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. You get instant access to this document after you purchase of QuarsiMail. Now, if you, for some reason you cannot access to this document, I'm gonna put my email below this video and send me your purchase receipt. That way I can send you these bonuses personally and start using this bonuses and start using this method, right? Now, the headline says one-click smart AI mail application sends unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers into primary inbox at a one-time low price, right? Now, let's take a look at, guys, inside what you can expect inside of QuarsiMail. So this right here, now you can, just like I said, you can import unlimited emails. And this is where you create a list right here. When you click on list right here, it's gonna allow you guys to create a list. So let me show you how this is done. Right, this is where you create a list right here by just clicking on this button right here. I already have a one list right here. I'm just gonna click on this, and then this is where you import your subscribers or your list by clicking on subscribers and click on import right here, or you can add manually right here, right? If you want a subscribers one by one, this is where you do it. And if you wanted to add like a back of subscribers, this is where you import those leads, right? This is where you import those leads. And you can also set up an automation right here. If you wanted to set up an automation, you can rate and add new and then set up an automation right here. Alright, guys, and this is where you create campaigns right here. Alright, you can broadcast unlimited emails, right? They also have some templates right here that you can use. Alright, have this template right here you can also use, or you can create your own template right here, right? And you can connect your domain, and then you can add in your sending identity like your email, your domain, your information right here. All right, so yeah, those are the things that you can expect inside of QuarsiMail, guys. There's not much information about this. It's a really user-friendly application, and you can start using this software as soon as you log into this application, because just like I said, guys, there's no SMTP required, unlike other solutions out there that you need to purchase for like a monthly payment for an SMTP. This software doesn't require SMTP, and start using this and start sending an email as soon as you log in into this application. Alright, guys. Now, if you guys would love to pick it up, just like I said, there's a link below this video, and just watch this video right here. Just read information on the sales page. And by the way, you are protected by a 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, you can always refund your money. And this is only one-time payment. Now, if you guys try to exit this page, I'm sure there's like an additional discount. Just try to exit this page and try to see if you get an additional discount. But this is only one-time payment of $17. Now, there are some upgrades within the application, but that's just an option if you wanted to consider upgrading your account. But upsells is not really necessary if you just wanted to send out an email, right? Now, just like I said, guys, there are other like popular solutions out there like Mailchimp, Aweber, and GetResponse, and those are like expensive softwares out there. But you can just try that out. I'm not saying that this is much better than this popular solutions out there. This is just an option, guys, if you wanted to save some couple of dollars per month. All right. So yeah, if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all of the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.